Hey, what's up, Tron holder? This will be very urgent update for all of you, my brother, because absolutely the coin is fails down. What expert says about Tron? What expert says about TRX to get upcoming time? They will move upward. The price will be increasing. They will give you a profit. Let's start a brand video. But holder, please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. This time, my brother, if we just only check out the XRP update, so last change occurred. First of all, you can see, my brother, last 1 day, last 1 hour, last 7 days, all change occur. You can see, my brother, is completely in the negative, and the rank is also come to 25, my brother. That's mean, my brother, so the price is also fares down 0.06 USD dollar. I hope the price will be increasing because, my brother, this is one of the good coin and one of my favorite also. Let's see, my brothers, to what's going on in the chart. The same time, absolutely this coin is completely in the loss, and how you will be safe from the loss. ABS channel will guide you, but just only you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Yeah, my brother, if you just only see the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and you can see here last 3 days this coin is in the loss. So that's mean, my brothers, to upcoming time they also fails down. Yes, my brother, this time you can see the chain occur minus 2.17%, and the price is 0.06 USD dollar, and that's means to the price is completely current is gonna be right now. I hope, my brothers, to after this short fails they will starting move upward now, and they will give you a very good profit. Let's see, holder. All right, holders, the holders are doing very huge mistake, my brother, especially when they are starting selling. So don't sell it. I hope, my brother, this time they will fails down, but I know too in the second week they are starting moving upward. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.